Okay, so for accessory, oh crap, so for accessories, you're gonna wanna.
Oh my God! Yes!
Oh no, no,
yes!
no, no, that's
yes!
not. It's not. So accessories, they're very underrated, but I feel like they do a lot for your outfit. Not as obvious as like branded tees or hype shoes, but small things add up, and accessories are the best way to get your basic ass Instagram fits the likes they deserve. Because likes, they make you cool. I'll break it down into 3 things, and they're gonna be what are the best accessories, how to style them, and where to get them. So yeah, easy, let's go. Now, what are the best accessories? Everyone's entitled to their own opinion, but this is my channel, and it's all about self-love. Because if you don't love yourself, how are you supposed to love others? I like rings. I like to rock rings all the time because it adds a nice accent to your fit. Everybody has to wear a shirt and pants and shoes. You can't be naked, but you don't have to wear rings. But since you don't have to wear rings, it really separates you from the crowd, and it gives you your own sense of style and individuality in an area where a lot of people overlook. Also, when you get into a fight, you feel like Thanos. But what's that? A watch. I love watches. They tell you the time. Like when you want to know what time it is, just look at your watch, and then bam, right there. Cues you to realize you don't actually know how to read adult people time. So then, you can check your phone after that. And then I'm pretty sure that every phone has a clock on their lock screen too. Very super convenient. But really, it's a great way of expressing yourself through different styles of watches. And I'm sure there's a watch for any fit that you'd like. Leather, you're probably classy. Diver's watch, probably a bit sporty. Apple Watch, it's just like having AirPods on your wrist. I could go on. Movement, it's probably a brand deal.
Guys want to check out Movement? I'm going to have them linked below. They have a wide range of styles. I'm telling you,
I have 5 reasons why, in my opinion, Movement watches are better than Rolex.
I personally just have this Diver's watch that I stole from my dad. I just wear it with everything because it's pretty neutral, but it's cool enough to stand out. But that's just me. I usually just stick with one thing and really milk it. That's my whole channel. Another accessory I like to use all the time is like shoulder bags. Like I have this one that I wear all the damn time, but it just really makes it easy to accessorize since I don't have too many things to choose from. I pick my favorites from each section and they almost always go well together. Next up, we got how to style them. Starting with rings, I usually just fill up my hand. I only have silverware right now. This one kind of has a gold accent, but for the most part, it's just one color. Everything's silver. It's mainly so I just don't have to think about it. I just ice out my hand. I'm ready to go. Snap. Kill half the universe. Shouts out to the boy Thanos. Sometimes I'll spread them out, but for the most part, it's the same rotation of rings since I know they all go well together. There's no like real rule here, so it really just depends on your style. Shoulder bags work best when relative to the outfit. More of a techie sporty outfit, good sling bag works all the time. Vintage, old school outfit, fanny pack, or like a pouch thing. I don't know what this is properly called, but it works. Really ties in the fit and creates a uniform. It also is just really convenient. Lastly, we got wear, and I'll let you in on a secret. You don't have to rap to accessorize. Let's run down my stuff. This one, stole from my dad. This one, stole from my girlfriend. This one, present for my girlfriend. Basically stole. This one, present for my other girlfriend. But you don't need a Bay. You need an eBay. No, not an eBay. Stop that. No, wait, no, this is a Christian channel. Chain, eBay. Other rings, probably eBay, Amazon. Some of the best accessories I've found have been on eBay and Amazon. You don't have to get name brand on accessories because first of all, they're so small, you can't even tell. Second, it gives you a chance to try things you never knew you'd like since they're so cheap anyways. To this day, I still buy rings from eBay and like Top Man, or I steal them, but that's like a whole nother way of getting thrill out of life. That's a different video. Attention to detail is key, but don't overthink the small things. Small things being accessories. ebay.com, men's stainless steel ring. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, and hopefully this helped you accessorize better. Leave a like down below if it did. It really means a lot. I don't know what this does for me, honestly. Go check your boy out on Instagram at ChristianVY and tweet at me at ChristianVYYT. Respect women. Coming real soon.